I'm Charlize, and today I'm going to show you the photos. Now, you may be wondering, what the hell do I mean by the photos? Why am I even on the internet? So, as one of my subjects at school, I do photography, and we were set a task to create a series of 6 photographs with a theme, and the theme that I chose is Nature Is. I took 6 photos that convey what I believe nature is. The last photo in the series has a message to it, and that is basically that nature is being destroyed. We need to stop. Just stop. So basically, I'm just going to show you the 6 photos in video form. They're like glued into my book, but I'll show you in video form because I love you. I don't really know how to end off this video, so I'm just going to go ahead and end it off mid-sentence.